welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina and I make videos on my life and share tips and tricks on how you can stay ahead in your life. Today we are diving into a topic that can literally change your life, which is how to set and achieve meaningful goals. We have all set goals at some point, right? But let's be honest, being committed to those goals is the real challenge. So in this video, I'm going to share some practical tips and tricks through which you can stay on track and which has also helped me to reach my goal. First, let's talk about why setting meaningful goals is important. It's easy to get caught up setting goals based on what everyone else is doing, right? Suppose someone wants to lose a weight and it's trendy, so you also make it as a goal. Someone is doing a side hustle and you make it as your goal. But here's the thing, if your goal doesn't align with your values or your vision for the future, then it's always going to feel like a work and you're more likely to give up on them, because at some point you'll just get exhausted and you'll be like, I can't do it. Think of meaningful goals as your GPS. So it's gonna guide you towards the life that you truly want. Now, even before you set a goal, you have to ask yourself that, is this something that I really want to do? Or am I doing it to fit in or impress someone? So this one question will save a lot of effort and time for you, because you will understand whether this goal aligns with my values and vision or not. Now, how to set these meaningful goals? I like to add a little twist on the classic SMART goals framework. You might have heard of SMART goals before, which is basically that the goals need to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. But here's the twist, I add an extra M at the end for meaningful. Let's break it down quickly with an example. Instead of saying that I want to be fit, you can be more specific and say that I want to run 5K in 3 months. Make it measurable by tracking how many miles you ran every week. Achievable means that if suppose you have never started with running and this is your first time, you cannot be like, I want to do 5K. Maybe start with 2K and then slowly increase. Relevant is making sure this fits to your larger vision. You have to question yourself that whether you want to run a marathon or are you doing it for your health reasons. And finally, time bound, which means setting a deadline. You can say that I will participate in a marathon in December, and of course make it meaningful. As I said, if running 5K doesn't excite you, then maybe that's not your goal. Do something that genuinely is something that you like and you want to do it. That's how you make it meaningful. It shouldn't feel like a work or something that you want to give up. Okay, so you're all set with your meaningful goal. Now, how to achieve it and not fail in the coming 2 weeks? So here are a few techniques that you should follow, and it has been a game changer for me as well. First up, break down your task or your goal into bit-sized task, okay, into smaller tasks. Suppose you want to start a YouTube channel, right? And for that, you should have different small tasks. Suppose you want to research about the ideas, you want to buy your equipment, you want to prepare your setup. These things you should cover one by one, so that you're not taking everything at once and you're not overwhelmed, and you can tackle each challenge at a time. Next is to create action plan with deadline. You can use the app, sticky notes, or maybe a planner. Anything that works for you is okay. And here you should have something that you can always, at the daily basis, you are able to check it off and you are able to follow those steps. You have to break down each task into steps. What are the things you need to cover? Keeps you excited, because every day you will feel productive that you have covered these tasks. That's how you break it down into small pieces, and every day you cover each piece, and that's how you're gonna reach your goal at the end. Accountability is another thing. Maybe join a community or tell your friend about what is this goal about. Where is your progress and where have you reached? You can analyze it on your own as well, but it's better you have someone you have told about it. You can even write a diary on Twitter as well. Now let's talk about some practical habits that you can start right away. One of my favorites is the morning routine. You can do it at the night also before sleeping. So for just 5 minutes, visualize your goal and imagine, close your eyes and imagine achieving that goal. Okay, so it sounds a little cliche, but it helps. It's kind of powerful, and it helps your mind to be focused. Another practice is following 1% rule. So basically your mindset should be, I should be 1% better than yesterday, how I was. It can be as small as reading 2 pages of a book which is related to your goal, or running just extra 1 minute. These small wins will add up over time, and that's how you'll keep getting better every day. And lastly, always celebrate your progress. It can be small or big. Always reward yourself. It can be having a cupcake or watching just one movie. It can be anything. Of course, it's not always a smooth sailing. You will have setbacks and obstacles while achieving that goal, and days when you don't feel like doing anything. That's okay. Remember why you started, reflect back on your progress, and adjust your schedule accordingly. Flexibility is the key. Progress isn't linear. What matters is that you're moving forward, even if it's just a little bit. So you guys can start with setting goals, as in you want to learn this language, or you want to complete this course, or you want to gain skills in graphic designing. It can be anything. Whatever your goal is, make some small task on that, like what things you need to cover. In that, you should add more steps, and you should be able to do it every day. There you have it. Setting meaningful goals with the right mindset and techniques is very much possible. You just need to follow and keep moving forward. And I'd love to hear from you guys, what is the one goal that you want to set and achieve. Comment down below and let's support each other. So one of the advice from my side is that keeping a notebook is a plus. I used to do that in my school also, and I've done it in college also. So I used to write it down every day, that these are the things I need to complete next day. So for that day, I used to cover those things. At the end of the day, I used to define the same thing for the next day. And for that day, I used to tick off, yes, I've done these things. So I used to feel productive and motivated that, okay, I've done these many things for today. So you guys can try that as well. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and follow me for more content.